I'm trying to do this vlog thing. So as you see, I got my bonnet on. I've already changed into my fit today. It ain't nothing special, just some black joggers, you know, a little underbra, and my little sweater thing. It's supposed to be like, it's 44 right now, and it's gonna be 34 in a little bit. So let me go ahead and do my makeup, and I'm gonna throw on a little coat over this, and we're gonna get this day started. Alright, I finally made it to the car. The sun keeps blocking my view, so I can't record a lot of the times. But I'm on my way to Starbucks. You know, I gotta start my day off with Starbucks all the time. And finally my day will get together. Y'all saw I had to do this speedy makeup thing. So, it's very bare, but this is what I normally do a lot of the times. I do have therapy, and y'all are probably gonna say, why'd she put on makeup for therapy? Because it's not like I'm busting sweats at therapy, so. I mean, and if I am, it's not on my face. So, that's good. But, yeah. Okay, I finally got my cookies. Sugar cookie frappuccino. I gotta head into therapy. Oh, Lord.
Go home and exercise. Go home and exercise, okay?
You told me I could stand without it. No. Kidding.
I did, just you read into it way more than we did. Okay. There you go.
Oh my God, we're about the same height. Wow. Shoot, I
Treat you on my
some
girlfriend,
issues.
I'll be like, yeah, we're the same height. She's like, stop that. Alright, let's reach back. Yeah. Good, good. Take a break for just a second.
Yeah. What?
I'm going to give you a little strategy to help as well.
Yeah.
So, when you get here, I know this is the hard part right here, and then trying to come up to standing.
Yeah.
since you don't have a handhold. But what kind of helps you, especially with the legs, you can even you can use your thighs
instead of this.
Yeah, I would say keep one hand for balance, and then you can kind of use one to help you up. Because that'll help with your legs, help them straighten out a little bit, and also help you, but also still you can have some balance to kind of, you know, you can play around with which hand is better for you. So, okay, let's do it again. Let's work on trying to raise the toes as you come up too. Good, there you go.
Alright, just left therapy in the freaking elevator. Whew, y'all, I stood by myself for a little bit. I mean, all he was doing was barely holding the back of my belt. But I did that, yo. That was my first. I love getting my first on camera. Yay! Well, now that we're done with that, guys, we don't really know what to do because it's so cold now, guys. It's like 44, but it's gonna be like 34. If it's not 34 already, it's pretty cold. So we decided we're just gonna go watch the sun go down and maybe call it a day. Either way, you're coming with me. The sun is going down, if you can see, a little too fast, so we're probably not gonna make it. So instead, we're just gonna go get some Chinese soup. We want egg drop soup because it's cold, and that's like the best thing you can have. Maybe they'll have some nice tea I can try. We're just having a very hard time, y'all, trying to find a good place. A lot of these places are kind of janky when it comes to getting Chinese food. The last one we went to that we actually just pulled up to, their power went out while we were waiting on our food. So I was like, Mom, we're not going to this one. And she was talking to me about how cheap a lot of them are. And what did you say?
I used to work for a Chinese restaurant years ago, and I dropped some ice on the floor, and he was like, "Oh, you wasted money. You don't drop ice." I'm like, "Okay." Are you serious?
Ice cubes, man. Come on.
Cubes.
You ready your order?
Yeah, I want to get a vegetable lo mein,
Yes,
shrimp fried rice,
yes.
2 egg drop soups. Do they just come in one size?
Three size, small, medium, and large.
2 large.
Yeah, too large.
So big, large? You
Uh-huh.
sure large? Okay.
Yes.
Large egg drop soup.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. The tea on the way.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right. Thank you.
So I got the egg drop soup, a large, me and my mom both did, and then I got the vegetable lo mein. They already came out with the soup. Y'all know. Gonna add some salt and the chips and the pepper. Maybe no salt, just the pepper. I'm excited.
How'd my spoon go? Where the hell my spoon go? Gina.
No way.
Gina, where's my spoon?
I'm not even kidding.
Gina. What? Spoons disappeared.
Her spoons disappeared.
Holy shit.
No way. Mom, I put it back in the bowl.
Did it fall
Oh man, I wish I was recording.
It did. My bad. It had to.
Mama, oh my god, don't play with me.
I was about to say, I was about to freak out.
No, me.
Get out of there.
Oh, it isn't. No, is it? It is. Y'all, me and my mom's spoons both fell into the bowls at the same time. We really thought they disappeared. But it's still really weird. Like, how at the same time? And it's chilling now. I was about to think this place was haunted. I'm just gonna sip my tea now.
Always figured they carry.
All right, that was it for the food. Now I'm on my way home. I think I'm just gonna call this a night, call this a video. I ain't gonna do nothing but take my makeup off. It is so nice that you watched this with me. Hit that like button and subscribe. I don't know how to vlog very well, but I'm learning, and I will have other people in it. My mom just doesn't want to be recorded because she ain't dolled up. But don't worry about that. It will get better. You guys are with me on this journey, guys. You're with me. Love you.